Reporting from Birmingham, Alabama, we're cutting down the final days to our June Fine Art Auction, and you're invited to join us this Sunday, June 8th, for this extraordinary event. If you haven't done it yet, drop us a like and follow to stay tuned. The full auction catalog is available now. You'll find the link in the description below and in our bio. There's a little bit of everything in this sale, and you just might find the perfect piece for your collection. This carefully curated sale features fine examples of early English porcelain, vibrant oil paintings, delicate continental ceramics, and luminous pieces of art glass, all chosen for its beauty, rarity, and craftsmanship. But what I'm most excited to share is the inclusion of sculptures by one of South's most beloved artists. Who else could it be other than Frank Fleming?